Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I made the video on the Asus Zenfone Live, so here is another video on it in 2019. What do I think about it and my experience on the device? So coming right up. Well, for starters, this phone is definitely for light usage, like calling, messaging, or maybe some like social media. I mean, like, sure, why not? PUBG is not a huge issue. I mean, like, I'm kind of okay with it, but my biggest complaint is that 16GB of storage is way too little. Well, there is expandable storage up to 256GB of storage, which is good for storing stuff like pictures and videos and stuff that you like to store. But you can't move apps to an SD card, which is a bummer. Let's get to the display. The 5-inch display is not really that bad, although it's 720p display, but it's not like some 18:9 aspect ratio of display, but it still feels good and nice to look at it. It's not that displeasing, but it's actually quite good for an entry level. And the phone itself is actually quite nice in hand and to hold as well. Honestly, the display is actually really better than I thought. I can even say it's better than other entry level or even slightly better than some mid-range phone display level. It's not like an OLED display, but it's still really great. Color reproduction wise, it's actually pretty good compared to any others I have used. Well, for multitasking, you're gonna be seeing some lag or maybe some app restarting, but it's just all minor stuff. When watching video or even playing games, I found out that the bottom left speaker placement is easily get blocked by your hand. It's not a very nice placement area, but you can't really complain much since it's already out of the production. So gaming on the device, well, like PUBG, you definitely notice the lag, and the lag is actually quite bad. And I even tried out some other games like Tank Star or Gangstar New Orleans, and apparently I did not expect that Tank Star will suffer some lags, but it's not as major as PUBG or Gangstars, but it's still payable. You will still see some lags here and there, as you can see in the video. And I even tried taking a screen recording using the phone. It just decided to shut down the apps and let the game run more lag free. But well, it's still lagging. The camera on the device is actually pretty great and surprisingly well as well. Especially during the day, the HDR really helps in taking photo, but it's kind of slow, and there's no image stabilization or anything that you need, so you need to hold it steady to take a blur-free or maybe a motion-free shot. It's actually not that bad. It's actually still surprisingly well compared to any other entry level out there. But the camera do suffer a lot at night, and it tends to get very grainy and blurry as well. And light are overly exposed here and there, as you can see in the pictures. So low light is a no-no. For the video department, I'll let you guys be the judge, and the upcoming video that you'll be watching is I'll be using the front-facing camera and also the rear camera with no audio output or any stabilizer, so you can see what kind of content and what things you can see from the phone itself. So here we go. Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I'll be spending my entire day with the Asus Zenfone Live. Well, it's an odd choice, but then again, I don't mind doing that. So let's get to it. I don't know if I can do a time lapse over here. So there wasn't anything much going on at the mall, so I couldn't film much, but I do take some pictures though. Probably you can check it out somewhere later on in the video, I guess. And I do not do vlog much. It's a bit weird for me to do a vlog, but I'll try my best to do some more vlogs if I can. But yeah, I guess I'm still not comfortable with it yet, but trying my best to be more comfortable in public doing vloggings. Obviously, you shouldn't be doing this while you're vlogging. I mean, like driving and vlog, no. Better not, since your eyes have to be on the road and your eyes have to be in here. So it's a bit both ways. So that's it, guys. Bye. Well, the final verdict on this phone is actually definitely for very light use only. And after using it for a while, I can say you can't use any heavy apps. Maybe just for stuff like a secondary phone, just for calling, messaging, or even Facebook, Twitter, or maybe Instagram. Those kind of light apps that you can use daily. But definitely not for you to play games or anything. Even for entertainment as well, it's not that bad, because I really love the screen. But it's not like 80:9 display, so you're gonna have to suffer with the bezels. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and do hit the like button and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell button as well. And do follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all links down below, so you can ask me questions or anything that you would like to ask. So that's it, guys. Catch you guys next time. Bye.